High vise, we're not getting on Clash right now. High vise? High vise. High vise! We're not getting on Clash right now, dipshit. That was the last of my gems, too. I mean, dude, High vise, I honestly don't care if you open chests. Just stop picking the wrong things. Valkyrie, 100%. Okay. Just, okay, zap, zap, zap on the left. Thank you. Go pump. We already have a maxed Inferno. Go pump, High vise. Well, High vise, let me think first before you click it. Rage, rage on the right. Nice. Don't fuck up the hero though, dude. Don't you dare. High vise, don't do it. Don't do it. High vise, don't click the fucking fish slap! Knight, golden knight on the right. High vise, get the gold.